Hi friends, welcome to another video of Karan's World. Today's video is a very special video to me as I have just passed 100 subscribers and it's all thanks to you. So for that, I'm going to make something very sweet today and you might guess it for this hot weather. Ice cream! And it's really tasty to eat and it's really quick to make and you can all make it for your parents in this hot weather. So guys, you might be astonished to see that I've only got 3 things in front of me to make this ice cream. And yes, literally I've only got 3 things in front of me. I only need whipping cream, some condensed milk, and some vanilla essence. So friends, I was planning to make the ice cream with 600 milliliters worth of whipping cream. But unfortunately I couldn't get 600 milliliters worth of whipping cream. So I only got 300 milliliters of whipping cream. So you just need to decrease the amount of condensed milk and vanilla essence for this recipe. So if you were to use 300 milliliters of whipping cream, you should, and I've got like a 400 gram worth of condensed milk here, I only need to use 200 grams. So I only use half of the can, and then I use half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. So the tools that you need to make the ice cream is you need a hand blender, a bowl, and a spatula. Now let's start. Just pour it. So you have like just some chunks in your whipping cream. That's natural because it's just like the coldness forming in your thing. Okay, just use a spoon to like take the rest of it that are sticking to your packet. So let's start blending the whipping cream. Guys, what you have to keep in mind is that this process will take a few minutes. Looks like we're nearly done. So friends, we have finished mixing. Now this is the consistency that we need. So the next step is to add condensed milk to our whipping cream. And as I said, I only need to add half of the can. Okay, so let's do this. Now let's mix. We only need our spatula now. We don't need the use of our hand blender. Only our whipping cream and condensed milk with our spatula. Very good boy.
Make a circle, make a tater. Make a circle, make a top. Make a top.
Now the last step is to add our vanilla essence into the mixture. So let's add half a teaspoon. Oop. And just
Little bit soda.
And then just pour it in.
The mixture.
Okay. And now let's mix.
Mix, bang.
Okay. I think our batter is done. Now let's pour our unfrozen ice cream into a tight container. I've got this plastic. Yes, in the freezer. Okay.
Nice and cold.
So
Nice and freezing cold.
So now let's put some cling film on top of our ice cream. And the reason why we are doing this is to stop any ice preventing on the top of our ice cream because it's not that good to taste. So now ice will form on our ice cream. And now we can just close it with our
lid. And put on that freezer.
Yes. Now the sad part is we have to wait 6 hours for it to be cooled down and frozen.
6 minutes. Why?
So friends, we can meet again after 6 hours when our ice cream is all ready. Bye bye. So friends, we have waited 6 hours and our ice cream is all ready to eat. Now let's have a look. So open our tub. Okay. Wow.
Wow.
It's frozen. Wow. It's actually been ice cream. It's actually ice cream. Wow, it turned out well. Let's just take a scoop. Okay, just put some bit of your strength into it because it's been in the freezer for 6 hours.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Okay, next scoop for my brother.
Next scoop. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, for me. A little bit hard in sky.
Yes, here you go. Okay, I think one more scoop and we're ready to eat.
Oh no.
It's a bit hard.
Yeah, a little bit hard on it.
Okay, so friends, our ice cream is now ready. I've scooped them all up in our bowls. So I've been planning to put a topping on them. So what I have right now available is some sprinkles. Okay, and you can put rainbow sprinkles. And you can put any topping you want. So I've just chosen sprinkles because I like sprinkles. You can put honey, you can put like cherries, like anything, strawberries. Everything will go with ice cream. So I'll just put a bit because I don't have those sprinkler kind of facility in this. Okay. My brother wanted ice cream things as well. Yes, we are all done. Now let's have a taste.
Yeah, boys.
Yeah, boy. Okay, let's do this. Wow. So tasty. Just with 3 ingredients, you got such a brilliant result out of this. Wow.
Wow.
This is so
We
good.
can eat some cake.
Yeah, you can eat it with cake, is it? Good idea. It'll be so tasty with cake. Oh my god. Can't even imagine. Okay, let's have another taste.
Let's eat full.
Honestly, this ice cream is the best ice cream I've ever had. Even from shops. It's better than this. 3 ingredients: condensed milk, whipping cream, and vanilla essence. And I've got such a brilliant result out of this. Don't know how. Oh my god. Special credit goes to my mom for teaching me this recipe. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
So good.
So cold on it.
Yeah, it's cold. What do you think? It's been in the freezer.
Yeah, so cold on it.
So friends, you should all try this at home and you should all make this for your parents if you have whipping cream, condensed milk, and vanilla essence at your home. It's so easy. You just need to wait 6 hours for it to get ready. Oh my god. Just can't stop eating it. Ah. Wow. So friends, I'm giving a special thank you for all the people who have seen my videos, subscribed to my videos, liked my videos. A big thank you for all of you guys because you guys helped me pass 100 subscribers and it's all thanks to you. And yeah, I really appreciate your help towards my channel. Thank you so much. So again, if you want more videos just like this and some other videos, more fun, if you want, then subscribe to my channel Karan's World and leave a like on this video and share this to your family and loved ones. Bye bye!